Hey guys, today I'm partnering with Kevyn Aucoin to give you 2 different looks for summer using the brand's summer launches. If you're not familiar with Kevyn Aucoin, he was the first celebrity makeup artist in the 80s and 90s. He created many techniques including contouring, and here is his book, Making Faces. It's a best-selling book. He wrote 3 beauty books, so if you need some tips, they're great books to pick up. I have this one on my coffee table, love it so much. Kevyn Aucoin also worked on a ton of celebrities and supermodels, including Cindy Crawford, Janet Jackson, Gwyneth Paltrow, and a lot more. So today I'm going to show you 2 looks. As I said, I'm using some of his new products, and I want to let you know before we get into the video that there is a giveaway. 5 lucky winners will receive a set of Kevyn Aucoin beauty products. It ends June 30th, so look in my description box below for a link to enter the Kevyn Aucoin beauty giveaway. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before we get started, and I want to show you a little bit of swatches from these new products I'm going to be using. First, the highlighting trio. This is the Prismagic highlighting trio. It is stunning, as you can see. The swatches here, there's like a pinky purple shift, a gold pinky shift, and then kind of like a light green shift. It's gorgeous, and I'm going to use these in the tutorial. And we also have these Molten Lip Color Molten Gems. These are high impact liquid lip colors that allows your lips to glimmer. There's 6 shades available at Sephora. I've swatched them for you here. Absolutely stunning, shimmery, glittery, metallic. So there are the swatches, and let's jump into the first look. To start off this first look, I'm going to go in with the Neo-Elixir Weightless Beauty Oil. This is a prime, highlight, and hydrating beauty oil. You can use this before your foundation, or you could also mix it in to give you a glow. This is available at Sephora. Super dewy, but lightweight. So now I'm going to jump into the Etherealist Skin Illuminating Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium EF08. And I'm using the foundation brush from Kevyn Aucoin to blend this in. Just working this into the skin. This is a nice, again, dewy foundation for the summer months, but it still has quite a good lasting power, so you can wear it in the heat if you want to. So now I'm going in with the Supernatural Concealer. I'm in Light EC01. I'm just going to use this under my eyes to brighten up. That foundation was a tad deep for me, but I'm just going to use this to kind of offset. So I'm using that same brush and going to blend this out and onto my lid as a primer, and then just make sure everything is seamless, and it just kind of lightened up the foundation. So now to set, I'm going in with the Gossamer Loose Powder. This is a light translucent powder, so I'm going to set under my eyes pretty heavily just to make sure I don't have any creasing, and then I'm going to use the Soft Buff Powder Brush, which is become one of my favorites, to set the rest of my face. Just kind of dust that powder all over, and then I'm going to jump into brows. I'm going to use the Precision Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Brunette. I love this. I use this all the time. I've had it for quite a while. I'm just going to use this to draw little hair-like strokes on my brows, just to fill them in a little bit and make them a little bit more enhanced. So now I'm going to start contouring the face. I'm going in with the Contour Book Volume 2. And I'm just going to use this to sculpt out my cheekbones kind of lightly, because for summer I don't want something too harsh. And then we're going to jump into bronzing. I'm going to use the Matte Bronzing Veil in Desert Days, and I am going to use the Neo Powder Brush, again one of my favorites, and just sweep this all along my cheeks, also around my hairline, just to give me that sun-kissed glow. And then I'm also going to apply some to my lid, very lightly, just kind of blend it through the crease and all over the lid, just to give me a little bit of bronze color around the eye area, and then also sweeping it underneath. This is going to be a very simple summer look. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Pure Powder Glow, and this is in Chador, which is a soft pink. Again, using that Neo Powder brush, and I'm just going to sweep this all over my cheeks to give me that baby doll look. And then we're going to go into the beautiful Prismagic highlighting trio. I'm going in with the middle shade, which is called Illusion. It's so beautiful. It's like a peachy pink shift. So stunning. So I'm applying this to my cheekbones and down the center of my nose just to give me that glow. I also decided to apply some to the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes pop. And then I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going in with the Expert Mascara. Again, another favorite of mine. I've been using this for quite a while and it really lengthens and volumizes my lashes. So I'm just going to apply a couple coats to my lashes, and then to start off the lips, I'm going in with the Flesh Tone Lip Pencil, and I'm in the shade Minimal. This is a nice Your Lips But Better shade, and I'm just going to line all around my lips to give some definition before we go in with lipstick. I'm going to go in with the Expert Lip Color, and this is in the shade C'est L'air, and this is like a peachy nude shade, and I'm going to apply this all over the lips just to kind of meld in with that lip liner, kind of doing the ombre effect where we put the lighter lipstick right in the center. And then to top that off, I'm going in with the Molten Lip Color Molten Gem in the shade Poppy Topaz. It's a beautiful peachy with gold shimmer reflex, and I'm going to apply this to the center of the lips, and that completes the first look. It's really pretty, dewy, perfect for summer, but still going to wear a long time. So absolutely in love with it, and let's move on to the second look. Starting off this look using the Neo-Elixir Weightless Beauty Oil again, I'm just going to apply this mostly to my forehead and on top of my cheekbones where I really get dry and I want to look super dewy. And then I'm going to enhance that with this Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting Highlighter. This is gorgeous. This is like a highlighter you can use mixed in with your foundation, or you can use it under, as I am again focusing on the areas that my skin is dry. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Sensual Skin Fluid Foundation. I'm in the shade SF06. This is a very lightweight foundation. It's very thin in texture. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So I'm going to apply that all over my skin, and then to give me a little bit of a bronze, I'm going in with the Etherealist Skin Illuminating Foundation again, and I am in the shade Medium EF08, and I'm just going to use the foundation brush to apply to the perimeters of my face just to give me a little bit more color. So I'm going to again go in with the Supernatural Concealer, and I'm just going to use this under my eyes to really brighten up as I did before. This concealer is really lightweight, but it also offers coverage. So I'm just going to use the foundation brush and blend in, again using this as an eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to set with the Gossamer Loose Powder. Again, going to focus under my eyes and T-zone where I would get the most creasing or kind of wear down. So then I'm going to use the Contour Book Volume 2. I'm going to use a smaller brush this time, and I'm really going to do a sharper contour. This look is going to be a little bit more dramatic than the first look. Still wearable, still no lashes, still summer glowy, but we're going to amp it up a little bit. So going into the Neo Bronzer in the shade Capri, I'm going to use the bronzer and the blush on the Neo powder brush, and I'm just going to sweep this all over my cheeks just to give me that all over sun-kissed look. And then for the star of the show, again, the Prismagic Highlighting Trio. This time I'm going to go into the shade Enchanted, which is like an insane, you can see that, just insane green reflect gold, beautiful shade, and I'm going to apply this to the tops of my lids, and that's literally all you need because it's so intense. Also going to apply to the tops of my cheekbones, and I'm really going to amp it up here. Basically going to douse myself with this, and then apply some mascara, going in with the Expert Mascara, and I'm just going to apply a couple coats on the lashes to make my eyes look wide and awake. And then I am going to jump back into lips, again using the Flesh Tone Lip Pencil in the shade Minimal. This time I'm going to line around my lips as I did before, but I'm also going to fill in the outer corners, again to really do that ombre effect even more dramatically this time. So just shade in around the corners of your mouth. For lipstick, I'm going to apply the matte lip color in the shade Enduring. This is a cool nude shade, very creamy, very opaque. So I'm just going to apply that all over the lips and kind of blend in with that ombre that we did. And then I am going to top that off with the lip gloss in Daliana. Gorgeous, gorgeous shade. One of my favorites for quite a long time. I've been wearing it for ever. It's just a creamy, beautiful nude lip color. Very, very shiny. And then jumping back into the Prismagic Highlighting Trio, I'm going to go into the shade Aura. And I just really wanted to amp up the look and apply this on the inner corners and down the center of my nose. This palette is limited edition, available at Sephora. And that is it. That is the full look. So make sure you leave a comment down below what products stood out to you or which ones you have tried. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.